ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अनुमान परिच्छेद इन वेदांत परिभाषा। In this, yesterday we saw Anumitikaranam Anumanam and Anumitisya Vyaptignanatvena Vyaptignanajanya. Anumanam has Anumiti or Anumanam is the Pramanam which becomes the Karana for Anumiti. Anumiti is Vyapti Jnanatvena Vyapti Jnanajanya. Means main thing is Anumiti is Vyapti Jnanajanya. But lot of other things are Vyapti Jnanajanya. What are the other things Vyapti Jnanajanya?
स्मृति अभाव अनुव्यवसाय ज्ञानम
Correct. Anuvyavasaya Jnanam, Smriti, then Vyapti Jnana, Dvamsa Abhava. Shabda Jnanam also. Shabda Jnanam means if I just use the word Vyapti Jnanam, this Shabda Vyapti Jnanam is also Vyapti Jnanajanya. Like Ghataha, this Shabda is Ghata Jnanajanya. So Vyapti Jnanam, this Shabda is also Vyapti Jnanajanya. So all of them are Vyapti Jnanajanya. Therefore, to avoid Ati Vyapti in all of them, व्याप्ति ज्ञान अनुव्यवसायादेः तत्वेन तज्जन्य अभाव तज्जन्यत्व अभावात्. All of those others, they are not vyapti jnanatvena vyapti jnanajanya. They are vishayatvena or jnana matratvena in different ways. Vyapti jnanajanya. In Tippani number 2, धूमो वन्नि व्याप्य व्याप्ति ज्ञानत्वेन इति धूमो वन्नि व्याप्य इत्याद्यात्मक व्याप्ति प्रकारक ज्ञानत्वेन इति अर्थो विवक्षितः. When it is said vyapti jnanatvena means vyapti prakaraka jnanatvena. When they say vyapti prakaraka jnanatvam means you should understand vyapti prakaraka dhuma visheshyaka jnanatvena. Vyapti prakaraka dhuma visheshaka jnanatvena, because dhuma vanni vyapya, that is given. This is the vivakshita artha. Otherwise, what will happen? Anyatha, you are following page number 81, right? This is 81 page.
Yes,
Just follow that. Anyatha, vyapti jnanatvena व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमितिं प्रति करणत्व स्वीकारे तु when you say vyapti jnanatvena means vyapti is the prakara, dhuma is the vishesha. Prakara means visheshana. So vyapti is visheshana, dhuma is vishesha. Like ghatatva prakaraka, घट विशेष्यक, घट ज्ञानम, घटत्व प्रकारक, घट विशेष्यक. So घट will have घटत्व as its विशेषणम. अन्यथा व्याप्ति ज्ञानत्वेन व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमितिं प्रति करणत्व स्वीकारे तु व्याप्ति ही इति. This vyaptiriti jnanadapi, by this jnanam also parvato vanniman iti anumiti apattihi. Anumiti would happen. This is the apatti. व्याप्ति ज्ञानत्वेन व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमितिं प्रति करणत्व स्वीकारे. व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमितिं प्रति करणत्व. So व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य means व्याप्ति प्रकारक धूम विशेषक ज्ञानस्य. This is what he wants to say there. व्याप्ति प्रकारक ज्ञानत्व विवक्षणे तु. In the next sentence, where is the vyapti prakaraka? Means you should understand dhuma visheshaka. Vyapti prakaraka dhuma visheshaka jnanatva vivakshane. If that is, when that is the vivaksha, dhumo vanni vyapya iti asyaiva vyapti prakaraka dhuma visheshaka. Dhuma visheshaka you have to understand every time. When they have said vyapti prakaraka jnana. Vyapti prakaraka dhuma visheshaka jnanatvam. This is what is desired. After that you can put comma. Vyaptihi iti jnanasya tu. Vyaptihi iti jnanam means vyapti jnanam. Like ghataha iti jnanam means ghata jnanam. Vyaptihi iti jnanasya tu. Vyaptitva prakaraka. If only vyaptihi, this kind of jnanam is there, it will be like ghatatva prakaraka ghata visheshaka. Vyaptitva prakaraka, instead of dhuma visheshaka, it will become vyapti visheshaka jnanatvam. Dhumo vanni vyapya, this is vyapti prakaraka dhuma visheshaka. Vyaptihi iti jnanam is vyaptitva prakaraka vyapti visheshaka. This kind of jnanam iti na apattihi kadachit. Na apattihi means this you will never get. Vyaptitva prakaraka vyapti visheshaka. Because the nature of knowledge will be vyaptitva prakaraka or vyapti prakaraka dhuma visheshaka. This is the point, which is why the Tippanikar said, when the Mulakar said vyapti jnanatvena, means what his intention is
व्याप्ति प्रकारक ज्ञानत्वेन
धूम विशेषक ज्ञानत्वेन. व्याप्ति प्रकारक धूम विशेषक ज्ञानत्वेन. This is his vivaksha. Then the rest of the part we already saw, vanni vyapya dhumavantam parvatam, etc. And in Tika, when it is said vyaptischa vakshyamana in second last line, what is that vyapti? See page number 86. Second paragraph in Moolam. Vyaptischa अशेष साधन आश्रय आश्रित साध्य सामानाधिकरण्य रूपा. अशेष everybody found?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
अशेष साधन आश्रय. What is vyapti? Sadhana is dhuma. Sadhana ashraya. Ashrita sadhya samanadhikaranya. Sadhya is vanni. Ashesha hetu means hetu is there in the paksha wherever it is. Yatra yatra. Ashesha means that. Yatra yatra dhuma here. Yatra yatra sadhana dhuma. Tad ashraya ashrita. In that same ashraya, one is also ashrita in Parvata, in Mahanasa, etc. Ashesha sadhana ashraya ashrita sadhya samanadhikaranya rupa vyapti. Now, there are some differences in Vedanta Anumana Prakaranam and Nyaya Anumana Prakaranam. And what is that? Vedanti does not accept Vyatireki Vyapti. Vedanti accepts only Anvayi Vyapti. And for Vyatireka, Vedanta says you don't use Anumana Pramana, you have to use Arthapatti Pramana. But Nyaya uses Vyatireki Vyapti also. Okay, so now you go back to your page 81. Vyaptischa Vakshyamana and Tad Jnanam cha Vyabhichara Jnana Virodhi Jnanam. Vyabhichar means Vyatireka Vyabhichar. What is Vyatireka Vyabhichar? What will be the nature of Vyatireka Vyabhichar?
कारण अभावे कार्य सत्व.
Karya Sattam. Karana Abhave Karya Sattam. This is Vyatireka Vyabhichar. And what is Anvaya Vyabhichar?
कारण सत्वे कार्य अभाव.
Karana Sattve Karya Abhava. This is Anvaya. These things don't keep only in Kiranavali, bring it here also. Anvaya Vyabhichar, Vyatirek Vyabhichar. Anvaya Sahachar, Vyatirek Sahachar. So what is vyapti? Vyaptischa vakshamana, and tad jnanam cha व्यभिचार ज्ञान विरोधी ज्ञानम. व्यतिरेक व्यभिचार. So व्यतिरेक व्यभिचार is कारण is asat and karya is there. Karana means dhuma. Karana is vanni. Vanni abhave dhuma sattva. Tad virodhi jnanam. Vyabhichar jnana virodhi jnanam means this will never happen. Whenever there is dhuma, vanni will be present. This is vyapti. Then in that Purvapakshi is raising objection. Nanu atra vyapti padam vyabhichara jnana virodhi param natu ग्रंथकृत अभिमत व्याप्ति परम. He says atra व्याप्ति पदम व्यभिचार ज्ञान विरोधी परम. व्याप्ति मीन्स व्यभिचार ज्ञान विरोधी, न तो ग्रंथकृत अभिमत व्याप्ति परम. ग्रंथकार मीन्स वेदांती. वेदांती अभिमत व्याप्ति, what he thinks, that is not the objective. So that Vyapti Jnanam, which is where Vedanti accepts only Anvay Vyapti, that he says that is not what is meant here. Purvapaksh says. Tena Tajjanake. Now this is the Vyapti Lakshanam. So yesterday we saw this one. Atyanta bhava garbha sadhya abhavavat avruttitwadi rupa. Atyanta bhava garbha means where abhava shabda is there, you understand that abhava is atyanta bhava. Sadhya bhavavad avruttitvam. This is Vyatireka. Vyabhichara. And Vyatireka Vyapti is there. Where Sadhya abhava is there, means where Vanni abhava is there, there Dhuma abhava also will be. Yatra yatra Vanni abhava, tatra tatra Dhuma abhava. This is Vyatireka Vyapti. साध्य अभाव वाले में जो नहीं रहेगा, there where there is साध्य अभाव, in Jalahृद there Dhuma avruttitvam means Dhuma also will not be there in Jalahृद. So this is Vyatireki Vyapti. Adi Rupa Vyapti Jnane. One. Second, Anyonya Bhava Garbha. Instead of using the Vakya using Atyanta Bhava, so in Atyanta Bhava, Vanni is used. In Anyonya Bhava, see what he says. Anyonya Bhava Garbha. Sadhyavat. Sadhya is Vanni. Vannivat means Vanniman. Vanniman will be Parvata or Mahanasa, whatever. Sadhyavat. Both you can take. Pratiyogika Anyonya Bhava. Sadhya is Vanni. Vannivat means Vanniman is Parvata or Mahanasa. Its Anyonya Bhava means Bheda. Its Bheda will be in Jalahृद. Jalahृd is not Sadhyavat. Sadhyavat Shabda Prayoga is for Dharmi. And in the previous one, Sadhya Abhava is used साध्य इज धर्म, वन्य इज द धर्म, वन्यमान इज धर्मी, पर्वत। साध्यवत प्रतियोगिक अन्योन्याभाव, अन्योन्याभाव इज इन जलहृद, तद असमानाधिकरण्य, जलहृद इज वेयर धूम इज एब्सेंट, सिमिलर व्याप्ति। दिस इज ऑल्सो व्यतिरेकी। व्याप्ति ज्ञाने च कारणता अवच्छेदक सत्वात्। पूर्व पक्ष says in them, in व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति, कारणता अवच्छेदकत्वम is there, therefore anumiti will happen, अनुमितिर भवति, इदानीं तु न स्यात् इति चेत्। इदानीं तु न स्यात् means if the lakshana that Granthakara is giving, if you use that, Vyatireka Vyapti will not be producing the jnana. This is what Purvapakshi's objection is. In the Kailash Hindi commentary, this portion is not translated. This portion is skipped, I think. I don't know if it is there in your book. Only Anuvyavasayadi part is explained. And then something else is given. Anyway, I think that is how it is. I don't think I have missed any pages. Iti chet na, Siddhanti says now in Tika, continue. So this Tippani number 1 says, which we saw yesterday, this is Purvapaksha Vyapti Lakshaneshu Prathama Vyapti Lakshanam. Tippani number 1. And number 2 is Tritiya Lakshanam. These are Purvapaksha Vyapti Lakshana. In Vyapti Panchakam, they are used. So third number Tippani says, Karanata Vyapti Jnane Tadavachedakam Vyapti Jnanatvam Tasya Panchasu api Lakshaneshu Sattvat Anumititvam Bhavati Ityarthaha. Karanata Vyapti Jnane Tadavachedakam Vyapti Jnanatvam. When third number Tippani is on Cha, Karanata Avachedaka Sattvat, Karanata Avachedaka, Karanata Vyapti Jnanam, Vyapti Jnane Tadavachedakam. If Vyapti Jnanam has Karanata, its Avachedaka will be Vyapti Jnanatvam. Tasya Panchasu api Lakshaneshu Sattvat. In all 5 Lakshanas, that Vyapti Jnanatva is the Avachedaka. Where Vyapti Jnanatvam is there, Vyapti Jnanam will take place. Like when Ghatatva is there, Ghata will appear. Iti chetna atyanta bhavadi garbha vyapti jnanasyapi vyabhichara jnana virodhi jnana eva paryavasanat. Atyanta bhavadi garbha means these two. Atyanta bhava adi padena anyanya bhava. Atyanta bhava adi garbha vyapti jnanasyapi व्यभिचार ज्ञान विरोधी ज्ञाने एवं पर्यवसाना. its paryavasan will happen only in vyabhichara jnana virodhi jnana. Vyabhichar means Vyatirek Vyabhichar. It also has to become Anvay Vyapti only, not Vyatireki. वस्तुतो व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमिति अहेतुत्वस्य वक्ष्यमाणत्वाच्च. This is what he is trying to explain here. That Vyatireka Vyapti is not Anumiti Janaka. Vyatireka Vyapti Jnanasya Anumiti Ahetuttvasya. It will not become Hetu for Anumanam. Vakshamanatvacha. Okay. On the previous page, in Tippani number 2, second last line you see. Page 81, Tippani 2, second last line. Anuvyavasaya nishtha. Janyata nirupita janakata. Janakatvam means janakata. This phrase is clear to everybody. Anuvyavasaya nishtha janyata. If I say Tantu and Pata, what has Janakata and what has Janyata?
Tantu has Janakata and Pata has Janyata.
This much everyone should know. Tantu has Janakata. Pata has Janyata. So Tantu, if I want to say Tantu Nishtha Janakata and Pata Nishtha Janyata. So I can say Pata Nishtha Janyata Nirupita Tantu Nishtha Janakata. Similarly, Kapala Nishtha what? Janakata. Nirupita
Ghata.
Pata Nishtha Janyata. So in that Vakya, in here what is given? Anuvyavasaya Nishtha Janyata. Anuvyavasaya is Janya. In that there will be Janyata. Anuvyavasaya Nishtha Janyata. Tan Nirupita Janakata will be there in Vyapti Jnanam. Right? So that Vakya also is clear. Okay. Further now, in Tika on page 82, continuing from where we left, Tadrisha Avachedaka Vivakshayaha Phalam Avedayati. Tadrisha Avachedaka Vivakshayaha Phalam. Tadrisha Avachedaka means this Vyaptitva. Avachedaka Vivakshayaha Phalam Kim. So that is what he says. Which we already read yesterday. Vyapti Jnana Anuvavasayades Tattvena Tajanyatva Abhavat. Na Anumititva. Tattvena means Vyapti Jnanatvena. आदिपदम तज्जन्य स्मृति शाब्द ज्ञानादि संग्रहार्थम। आदिपदेन व्याप्ति ज्ञानजन्य स्मृति शाब्द ज्ञान एक्सेट्रा। अनुव्यवसाय स्मृति शाब्द ज्ञानादिषु विषयत्व स्व समान विषय अनुभवत्व पदार्थ ज्ञानत्वादिना हेतुत्वात् तत्वेन अहेतुत्वम् इत्यर्थः। इन अनुव्यवसाय ज्ञान स्मृति ज्ञान शाब्द ज्ञान, how it is used? See, in अनुव्यवसाय विषयत्व, in स्मृति स्व समान विषय अनुभवत्व, in शाब्द ज्ञान पदार्थ ज्ञानत्व. So each you have to match. अनुव्यवसाय विषयत्वेन. So in for अनुव्यवसाय ज्ञानम, व्याप्ति ज्ञानम is विषयत्वेन अनुव्यवसाय जनकम, और अनुव्यवसाय is विषयत्वेन व्याप्ति ज्ञानजन्य. स्मृति is स्वसमान विषय अनुभवत्वेन व्याप्ति ज्ञानजन्य. And शाब्द ज्ञान is पदार्थ ज्ञानत्वेन व्याप्ति ज्ञानजन्य. In this way they become hetu, hetutva. Tatvena ahetutvam. Tatvena means vyapti jnanatvena ahetutvam. Ityartha. Nanu व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य किम अनुमिति जनकत्वम, किम अनुमिति जनकत्व मात्रम उत तत्कर्णत्वम इति अपेक्षायाम आह. व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य इज इट अनुमिति जनकत्व मात्र और तत्कर्णत्वम. So it is said it is karanatvam, anumiti karanam cha. In मूलम अनुमिति करणम च व्याप्ति ज्ञानम तत्संस्कारो अवांतर व्यापारः. In मूलम अनुमिति करणम is व्याप्ति ज्ञानम, तत्संस्कारः अवांतर व्यापारः. अनुमिति करणम is व्याप्ति ज्ञानम, its samskara is avantar vyapara. Avantar vyapara so vyapti jnanam first, then vyapara, then anumiti. And what is that vyapara? Vyapti jnana samskara. See how Vedanti says. Vyapti jnana samskara will take place. That samskara is enough. So let's say in Mahanasa, I saw Dhuma, I saw Panni, I got Vyapti. Then, when I am walking near Gangaji, I see Dhuma. As soon as I see Dhuma, that samskara is there. Vyapti jnanam produced samskara. Samskara will immediately tell me Vanni should be there. This is how Vedanta Prakriya is. Nyaya Prakriya is different. So this is why you have to first study Tarka Sangraha, so that every time when we say this is different from Nyaya Prakriya or like next Vakya, न तु तृतीय लिंग परामर्शो अनुमितौ karanam. When somebody says, why you want to say this, that it is not tritiya linga paramarsha in anumiti karanam, anumitau karanam na, why you want to say? Because according to Naiyayika, tritiya linga paramarsha is the karanam for anumiti. Now, what is tritiya linga paramarsha? If you already remember Nyaya Bodhini Padakritya, then you will know. Otherwise, it will come. So you understood what is this Anumiti Karanam, how it works? First, Vyapti Jnana. It's Samskara, Anumanam, over. Vedanti is thinking is different here compared to Nayayika. Etena Sitika Etena Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanajanyam Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanajanyam Jnanam Anumitis. If it is not, if there is some unclear words, if there are, you write it down. It is there in Kailash book. Jnanam Anumitis Tat Karanam Anumanam. Tachalinga Paramarsha Iti Pratyuktam. This is refuted. Linga Paramarsha Vedanti doesn't accept. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam is what? See, what is Vyapti? Dhumavanni Vyapti, right? Tad Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam means Dhumo Vanni Vyapya. Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. First is Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. Dhuma Darshan happens, then he'll say Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. Then what is that Dhuma? Vanni Vyapya Dhuma. So it is Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata. Paksha Dharmata will be there in Dhuma. Dhuma is there in Paksha Parvata. So Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanajanyam Jnanam. This is Anumitihi. And its Karanam, Anumanam. That Anumanam is Linga Paramarsha. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam, according to Naiyayika, is Linga Paramarsha. And Tajanya Jnanam is Anumiti, according to them. This is refuted. Because in Vedanta, there is no Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam, then Tajanya Jnanam Anumiti. In Vedanta, Vyapti Jnanam Samskara Anumiti. Iti Pratyuktam. Why? Vyapti Jnanasyaiva Tat Karanatva Sambhave Tad Atirikta Paramarsha Angikarasya Anauchityat. Vyapti Jnanasyaiva Tat Karanatva Sambhave. Vyapti Jnanam itself is the Karana. Vyapti Jnanasya Tat Karanatva. is possible. Tatkaranatva sambhave. Tatkaranatva means
अनुमिति कारण
anumiti karanatva. Vyapti jnanam itself is capable of producing anumiti. Therefore, tad atirikta, vyapti jnana atirikta, some paramarsha that you accept, that will produce anumiti. Paramarsha angikarasya anauchityat, it is inappropriate. नापि अनुमितौ लिंगम करणम, अयोग्य लिंगक अनुमितौ परामर्शस्य व्यापारत्व असंभवेन तत्करणत्व असंभवतया व्यभिचारात्. इन अनुमिति नापि अनुमितौ लिंगम करणम अयोग्य लिंगक अनुमितौ परामर्शस्य व्यापारत्व असंभवेन. So you have to read this way. Anumitau lingam karanam na. Why? अयोग्य लिंगक अनुमितौ परामर्शस्य व्यापारत्व असंभवेन. परामर्श, if you remember, in न्याय परामर्श is व्यापार. Right? व्याप्ति, परामर्श, अनुमिति. व्याप्ति, परामर्श, अनुमिति. So anumiti is व्याप्ति जन्य, तज्जन्यत्वे सति. So this anumiti is तज्जन्य, व्याप्ति जन्यत्वे सति. तद जन्य जनक will be, or तज्जन्यत्व, sorry, तज्जन्यत्व means व्याप्ति जन्यत्व is there in परामर्श. व्याप्ति जन्यत्वे सति व्याप्ति जन्य जनक. Is it clear? व्याप्ति परामर्श. What is this? Anumiti.
Anumiti.
So तज्जन्यत्वे सति तज्जन्य जनक. This is व्यापार. This is परामर्श according to them. अयोग्य लिंग का अनुमितौ परामर्शस्य व्यापारत्व असंभवेन तत्करणत्व असंभवतया व्यभिचारात्. अयोग्य लिंग का means where dhuma is not there, but dhuma bhranti happens. That is ayogya linga. Ayogya linga ka anumitau, in such anumiti, paramarsha will not become vyapara. Paramarsha se vyaparatva asambhavena tat karanatva asambhavataya. So now it is not anumiti karana. Anumiti karanatva asambhavataya, there will be vyabhichara. So that's why Vedanti is eliminating paramarsha itself. तस्मात् अनुमिति करणत्वात् व्याप्ति ज्ञानम एवं अनुमान शब्द अभिधेयम. Therefore अनुमिति करण is व्याप्ति ज्ञान. अनुमिति करणत्वात् व्याप्ति ज्ञानम itself is अनुमान शब्द अभिधेयम. न तु लिंग तत्परामर्शौ इति भावः. Neither linga nor its paramarsh. Linga paramarsh anumanam, this is what they say. Prachin Nayayika, that is eliminated. Iti bhavaha. We'll keep up to here. This topic is complete up to this. then further we will see. Tritiya Jnanam also will be given. That also you look at it before next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.